Welcome to MellowBites.
I'm Korna.
And I'm Deepa.
How about having a salad in a bite?
Today we are going to see an interesting starter recipe, chicken cucumber salad bites. Can we take a look into the ingredients?
You'll need 100 grams of chicken, salt, pepper, chili flakes, olive oil, and thyme.
We'll also need some chopped tomatoes, half cup of cream cheese, 4 cucumbers, and coriander to garnish.
Let's start marinating our chicken by adding salt, pepper,
Some chili flakes, and thyme. Mix it well. Add some olive oil.
and then add in your marinated chicken and saute it for at least 2 minutes.
It's been 2 minutes now. It's time to add 1/4 cup of water. Cover it with a lid and cook until the chicken is soft and tender.
Meanwhile, while our chicken is cooking, let's chop our cucumbers into bite-sized pieces.
Start de-sealing the cucumber at the center. Now the chicken has been cooled. Let's add this cheese into the chicken and mix it well. Now we have mixed it thoroughly. Let's start stuffing in the chicken inside the cucumber.
Once that's done, I'm gonna top it up with some tomatoes. Then add a piece of coriander. Chicken cucumber salad bites are ready!
You can make this for your party. As a starter, it's very simple and even kids would just munch into the salad. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!